guys, good morning. It is Monday. Yes, it's Monday. I just got out of a work meeting. My first meeting for the day kind of started at 10. I have like a busy day today because it's Monday, but something really interesting just happened. So I have 2 days to prep for a trip. I'm going to be traveling real soon, and I'm going to kind of like take you guys along with me as I pack and I try to get ready for my trip. I haven't traveled. I think the last time I traveled was June or December last year or something. I've just like been in Lagos all year. I haven't really gone any other place. I got a new plant. Let me show you guys my plant first off. This is her, guys. She is so cute. She's a Chinese poison, I think. I hope I said that right. This is what she looks like. I also finally got this pampas grass I've been waiting to get. I'm just going to quickly take the pampas grass out so that I can change the color of this bottle. I'm thinking if I should do white or gold. So far everything in my room is either black, white or brown. So I have spray paint in 3 colors: black, white and gold. So I'm thinking of changing that thing over there to gold and changing this to gold as well. I don't know, let me see how that kind of works out. Hi Amaka, good morning. So thank you so much for sending this in. I was not supposed to talk too much in this vlog, guys. I was just supposed to show you guys how I'm getting ready to travel. I just wanted to show you guys something, guys. I just looked at my YouTube analytics for this year and my heart is full. I am currently not monetized on YouTube, but see, it means that for every video that I put out, I currently do not make any money. I used to be monetized in the past, but I'm not anymore because I haven't met the 4,000 watch time threshold because I wasn't taking YouTube seriously, but I'm back to taking YouTube seriously. And I just wanted to say thank you guys so much, because this would not have been possible without you guys. I thank you for watching, for commenting, for liking, for sharing and subscribing, guys. Always subscribe, leave a comment and like if you love my content. I love you all. I have to go now because I need to get these meetings going. So I don't know if I've told you guys before, but my clothes are mostly black, navy, white, some beigey oatmeal type tones, olives. I have a few reds but very few. That's pretty much what I have in my wardrobe in terms of colors. I also have a few reds actually. Red is one other color that I tend to have. I'm just going to pick out what I'll be wearing. I have this really nice blouse that I got. It's a bodysuit actually. I have not shown you guys where I got them. I've not done the haul for that item, but I'll do a haul and you see everything soon. I am also going to be taking this one. So I already have 2 white tops, which I should probably slow down on the whites because I don't know, I'm not trying to have a lot of laundry to do when I get back. Oh, this blouse is really nice. But okay, so you know what, all the tops and bottoms are going to be for the daytime. Oh, okay. I have this one too. I have to choose, so I have to go with one white and drop the other one. I can't go with all of them because I tend to overpack sometimes, guys, but that's by the way. Let me just finish picking everything out and I'll get to the other part of this video. Hey guys, so I told you guys that I was going to Miniso, so I just want to show you guys the things that why I went to Miniso. So if you guys don't know where Miniso is, that's where I have this cute bottle from. Got some water, but also they sell really cute accessories that you need to do anything in your life. So first off, I picked up this water bottle because I want to have this water bottle in my bag so that I can always fill it up and just always be on the go with it with no hassle. It's really cute. I think it was about 1,490, so let's just say 1,500. I also picked up this travel set. This travel set is not my aesthetic. Well, they did not have black or white or like neutral colors, so I was like, These are so cute. They work well. So this cost me $9.90 as well for these 3 packs. You can put lotion, shampoo, whatever inside. But the best part, guys, the best part is that these actually come with labels. I hope this is focusing. Yes, so you can actually label your products as well. I actually do have one that I got from them before. Those ones were transparent with pink caps, but I thought these ones were so cute, so I just picked them up as well. I also got these. This was $9.90 as well. This is another travel accessory. Same feedback on color, but I think that the store is currently in Christmas mode, so they're just stocking things in color. So we neutral girls are, so this these are 2. This one is more of like a lotion palm. This is like a spray palm. These ones are like I'll say cream pumps as well. This also has a label. But then the good part about this one, actually, the part about this that is so cool is that it comes with this really cute funnel. That you could kind of use to put your products in. I got this pill organizer. This is the one thing that was neutral that I got today. I'm so happy about. It's a pill organizer. I have vitamins that I take every day, and I don't want to take the whole jar with me, so I'm going to put my pills in this pack. Aesthetics, you have to do it for the aesthetics. Then I got this. It's a see-through bag, which I don't understand why I bought, because guys, I have so many of these. Okay, not so many, but I have different purses already, but I wanted this because it was clear, and in addition to my other clear purse, I'll be able to see everything that's inside, and it's black. So I think that when these go inside, they don't look as, I don't know, they look less colored. So yeah, that's why I picked that up. I also got pens and this highlighter there. So yeah, if there's anything you don't know about me, I love journaling, I love pens. So these pens were about 300 naira, and they're really good pens. So I picked them up, and I picked one more highlighter to have a separate color when I'm reading my Bible and I'm highlighting. Another thing I picked up was this mirror. I'm not going to be traveling with this, so I don't know why I bought it, to be honest, but I have broken 2 table mirrors since I moved into this house. I've broken 2 makeup table mirrors. So this is more of like a papered type thing. So it opens up like this. I think I saw this with, who did I see this with first? I think I saw this on Dima's channel. I don't know. Okay, yeah, I think it's this way. So yes, it's this way. So I first saw this on Dima's channel. It's really big. You would see yourself end to end if you were doing your makeup. So yeah, my makeup looks are about to go from 0 to 100 because of this. I'm not traveling with this. This is actually way too big to travel. I should have bought a smaller one, but I'm guessing that the mirrors in the apartment that we're going to be staying in, and I don't know, will do. I also got this memo book. This is something that I should not have bought because it is old and ruggedy and $9.90, but I got it because it didn't have as much color as every other thing there, and look at the inside. It was just really cute. Starting a new course. I'm starting a new professional course. Yeah, this is how it looks. So yes, I wanted a book that wasn't too bulky, that I could take with me and write and take notes during my class inside. So here we go. That's literally all that I got from Miniso. So now let's get packing. So I went to get my travel luggage. This is what I will be going with. I don't know, I think that this box is too small for me, but we'll see how it goes. I might end up going with 2 small boxes and, you know, checking them in. I need to buy boxes, so in case you want to send me boxes, please send me boxes. Just make sure they are black, white, beige. Don't send me gray, actually. So this is what I'm going to be using to pack. The first step in packing is to know what you're going with. So bring out everything, which you kind of have seen me do already. I just kind of brought out all the clothing that I want to be wearing. I've kind of brought out shoes as well. With bags, I think I'm only carrying 2 bags. I definitely need more than 1 suitcase. Okay, I'll carry 2 bags. So now I have put this bag down. I will start by folding my clothes in. I will kind of show you guys how that goes, or how I would go on to do that. I also want to show you guys something that I have done. So besides these things I've bought to pack, you know, these bags that come with like stuff, they're like, I don't know, dust bags. So this one came with a pair of shoes that I used to own because I sold them already. This one came with the brush set that I bought. This one came with sanitizer that I got, right? So these bags are very handy, especially when you're packing. So for example, now inside this dust bag, I have my underwear. So I have my bra, I have my panties. So yes, just put them all into this thing. Let me just start packing. Let's start with this dress. And I'm going to put it like this. I'm going to put it like this. I'm also going to go ahead to fold. So fold it this way. I'm going to put it right here in this corner in my bag. Folding my clothes, I'm putting my shoes in the bags that they're supposed to be in. I put my shoe in these bags. So these are like 2 shoes that I'll be going with for sanitary purposes and so that they don't mess up my clothes. So I learned this trick from someone on YouTube. So basically just keep all these dust bags when you get your shoes or your bags, because you want to be able to put them inside. I actually threw one away right now and I'm regretting why I did that. So this dust bag is going to hold my camera and filming items, so that everything is in one place. Actually, I have a packing list, guys. I forgot to show you guys that. Let's take this back a second. So this is a list that I have created for things that I would need. So I am now looking at this list and making sure that I have everything. To move the items that I'm going to be using in here. The goal is to not have too much stuff, so I'm only going to be packing things that I'm going to need. putting things together to live. Also, what do you guys think of my hair color? What do you guys think? I love it. Like, I think it's so perfect for me. I'm just like about to head out, so I'll see you guys on my way there and when I get to the airport as well. I don't feel the best, to be honest, because like I'm going through so much emotionally, but this is to help me kind of unwind. So yeah, see you guys when I get to my destination.